Morning, it is Sunday the 16th of October and today is chicken day, and this will go into the Ninja 15 in 1, and I think you might be able to see that they suggest the cooking time is 1 hour 50 minutes. It's just over 2 kilos, but I reckon that'll be done in less than an hour. So we'll see. I'm going to get it seasoned, and then it can stand for a couple of hours with the seasoning on, and then we'll start it cooking. Okie dokie, catch you later. Okay, we have the chicken seasoned up, and we've got water in the bottom, so it's a matter of pressure cooking now for, I think with it being a big one, we'll do it for 24 minutes. Okay, bring you back later. Okay, we are now in the pressure cooking mode, and I want it to pressure cook for 24 minutes. That's it. Then it'll be a natural release, and we start. Okay, it takes about 12-13 minutes to get the pressure up, and then it'll kick in. Okay, bring you back later. Okay, we must be getting very close now to pressure being fully up, and the countdown to the cooking. There we go. And at this moment in time, it's cost 9p in electricity to get it to this stage. So while that's cooking down, I'll let you have a look in this book that you get with it to see some of the menus and setups, etc. Okay. Okay. Tell you exactly what each part's for on the slide, and these are some of the things that it can do on the multifunction side of things. Some more recipes of what it can do with steam fry and steam meals, steaming bread, steam cakes and steam roast. Well, I did the beef on steam roast the other day. Turned out nice. Still a little bit to learn yet, but no, that's how it is. Can't take it on board all in one go. Okay. These charts to help you a little bit when you want to cook various things together. We've not got that far yet. And this is the meat index that I used. It's 1 and 2 is rare, 3 and 4 is medium rare, 5 and 6 medium, 7 and 8 medium to well, and 9 well. Well, I had it on 9 the other day, so it cooked okay. It did for us anyway. But, yeah, on the opposite page it shows you where to put the probe, so that you get an accurate reading. And it tells you there, cooking with the probe. Keys to making perfect dough. Well, we haven't got that far yet, because we have a bread maker Now we're on to the recipe parts. Roast beef and roast potatoes. I know you can do them all in one go. Then you're on to beef casseroles and one pot lasagna. There's plenty in here to have a go at. We just haven't got round to it yet. Honey glazed gammon. Chicken cordon bleu with green beans, mashed potatoes. Pulled barbecue pork shoulder and Asian style roast duck. Lamb tagine and couscous. And Moroccan lamb steaks, tender stem broccoli and whole grain giant couscous. As I say, none of these we've actually tackled, so can't tell you what they like. But yeah, it's an in-depth book of how to use this. I mean, cakes, cheesecakes. Susan likes both of them. And so plenty to go through and sort it out. And then we've got the steam fry chart, very comprehensive, gives you, but they're only guides, so at some stage you have to work it out for yourself which is the best for you. Continuation of steam fry chart. And it's steam roast, which is, as I say, what I used the other day. But, yeah, like I say, you've got to work out what's best for yourself. Then you've got pressure cooking, which we are doing at the moment with the chicken in. And then we get on to air fry cooking chart. Continued. Steam chart. Continued. As I say, there's plenty of information here. And then there's the chart at the back for dehydrating. We haven't tried that yet because we have a standalone dehydrator. So, as I say, plenty of information. Okay, bring you back shortly. Okay, we've just passed the halfway mark for the pressure cooking, so it's well on its way now. Okay, bring you back later. Okay, here we are now on countdown. And the pressure cooking is done. Now it's going to be a natural release, and I think it takes about 20 minutes. So I'll bring you back once all that's completed. Okay, bye for now. Okay, it's gone 10 minutes 50 odd seconds, and it says I can open the door now, so we'll have a look. I will have to take you off the tripod so you can see inside the pot. Okay, so here we are. The chicken is fully cooked under pressure. I've just took the temperature and it is 77, so it is cooked, but I want to air fry it to crisp the skin up. Okay, bring you back later. Okay, we're going on to air fry now, just to hopefully brown the skin up and make it crispy. 200 degrees for 20 minutes. There we go. Okay, I'll bring you back later, see what it's like. Okay, we're just coming up to halfway through the air fry, so we'll lift the lid up and we'll have a look. But I will have to take it off the tripod again. Okay. saying shake now because that's what normally happens. Okay. It's starting to look nice now. I think I'll give it another couple of minutes and then we'll turn it off. Okay, bring you back later. Okay, it's coming up to 13 minutes it's been air frying, and I think I'll call it a day at that one. Okay, catch you later. Okay, here we are. Very nice chicken. Right, I did check it while it was in the machine for temperature. So, well, I would if it came on. Okay, it's reading 85.78 and rising. So it is definitely cooked. Okie dokie. We'll catch you later. Okay, there we are. It's been cooking for an hour and 13-14 minutes and it cost 25 pence on electricity. Okay, catch you later. Okay, here we have the main bowl and the pan I've had the chicken in, soaking in water, and that's about as much cleaning as it takes basically, because when you run round with a scourer, a soft scourer, that's it finished with. Okie dokie, bye for now. Okay, now we've got the chicken cooked. There's nothing resembling any offshoots on this Calabrese plant, so that's out. And I'm going to come back in a minute for that one. Okay, so we'll go get the implement out of the greenhouse, but first of all put my cabbages out here this morning. So they're looking okay. This cauliflower, look at that cauliflower, how it's growing. It's put a load of weight on since I did the last video. Okay, I'll get my cutting tool and I'll catch you later. Right, there we are. That's for today's dinner, Sunday, still Sunday. I changed my mind about taking the far one. I've left the far one to carry on. So can't see anything either making a start on the stem, so that will come out also. Okie dokie, catch you later. Okay, things are looking okay. So we'll call it a day with this video. Bye for now.